everybody, I'm trying to clean this corn. Now I haven't get all the coffee grinds off with the toothbrush. So here we go. So getting in the bristles there. I'm really going into there, getting that, trying to get that dirt out of those kernels. Okay, now I'm going to apply more coffee again and try a non-electric toothbrush. In fact, the toothbrush that I use myself, which is a non-electric toothbrush. Now let's clean these corn kernels out. Wow, effortlessly just clean. I'm hardly touching it. And as you can see, look, that's just magic. I'm not even pressing hard. With the electric one I was really pressing. Here I'm just whisking it off. Just coming off beautifully.